Need to scan some important documents but don't have a scanner? If that is so and you've got an iPhone 14 Pro, then you can just use it as a scanner instead. This is made possible with the pre-installed Notes application on your iOS device. In this video, we'll be showing you how to scan a document using the Notes app on the iPhone 14 Pro. But before we move on, please like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone to get started. Just look for the Notes icon from the home screen or app library and then tap on it. Once you're in the Notes app's main screen, tap the icon to create a new note or select an existing note if you have one available. While in the New Notes or Existing Notes screen, tap the camera icon, then select the menu option to scan documents. Position the document that you want to scan in view of the iPhone's camera. You will then see a yellow box as the camera starts scanning and looking for the document. If auto mode is active, your iPhone will automatically scan the document when it's in place. Otherwise, you will need to tap on the shutter icon to manually instigate scanning of the document. To get the best possible results, hold your iPhone directly above the document. Also make sure that the document is well lit and in focus. To avoid any blurring, keep your hands as steady as possible. When the scan is finished, tap Save. You can also add additional scans to or edit your scanned document if necessary. To edit a scanned document, simply tap on the preferred document, then use the inbuilt editing and markup tools to add text, draw, or annotate. Corners of the document to scan can likewise be adjusted by dragging them. You can add a title to your scan and specify the location where you want it to be saved. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Recent adjustments will then be saved and applied to your scanned document. Scanned documents on the iPhone are typically saved as PDF, so you can open and edit it using text-based applications and compatible PDF editing software. Should you wish to scan another document using the Notes app on your iPhone 14 Pro, just repeat the same steps, and there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you do, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.